chamber!
Looking for some mech anime? You came at the right place. Welcome to Anime Chub, and today we're gonna talk about top 10 mecha anime.
ピアシングランス
Number 10. Heavy Object. A journalist who believes that objects have caused lesser soldiers to become unrecognized. He stages a solo sniping job on the Oceanic Kingdom to turn the tide against them, only to instigate another war between them, causing him to regret his actions.
Live or die, and it's time to play!
That object is a monster, and you think they can stop it? It's time to put you down.
I'll take on every massive object the world can throw at me. Move! Get out of here!
Number 9. Undefeated Bahamut Chronicle. 5 years ago, a revolt has overthrown the Arcadia Empire. The empire's former prince, Lux Arcadia, accidentally transpasses in a female bathing area and witnesses the new kingdom's princess naked and her secret. Number 8. Knights and Magic. The series tells the story of a young Japanese man who dies in a car accident and reincarnates as a child in an alternate world where magic and giant robots are real, dedicating himself since then to fulfill his long-time dream of building and piloting his own mecha.
Piercing Lance. Thundering Gale! 先生、いかがでしょう。授業の免除を認めていただけますか？
Number 7. 100. 100 is the only weapon that can counter the mysterious savage life form from attacking the earth. To become a slayer who wields this 100, Hayato Kisawagi successfully enrolls in the Marine Academy city ship Little Garden.
We have to save him, Emil!
Number 6. Flame Arms Girls. The anime adaptation follows a girl named Aoginai who is sent a prototype FA girl known as Gurai and is tasked to help gather data on both battle and emotions. The two soon encounters more FA girls, who Guroi battles against while also having various adventures alongside. Number 5. Kenshi Muyo War on Gemina. Kenshi Masaki is a 15-year-old boy that has unwillingly traveled from his home on Earth to the alternate world of Gemina. On Gemina, the countries wage wars using sacred mechanoids and humanoid weapons that were originally discovered within ancient ruins and developed over centuries.
Oh no! There isn't any time!
Number 4. Gargantia on the Virtuous Planet. Gargantia is a fish out of water trail following a mecha pilot, Ledo, who crashes lands on humanity's long-lost homeworld, Earth. But instead of the abandoned frozen world he was thought to expect, he finds a watery planet where the remnants of humanity live in a giant floating cities.
Hideas 敵人類の敵殲滅すべき敵人類銀河同盟マシンキャリバー隊所属レド少尉それが俺を表すすべて
Number 3. Shin Sakura Taisen, the animation. The Adventures of Imperial Combat Review, a military unit dedicated to fighting supernatural threats against Tokyo while maintaining their cover as a theater troupe. Number 2. Fight League Gear Gadget Generators. A girl named G-Venge, who wields her giant gadget effortlessly, is trying to lead her team, the Boltecs, in pursuit of their dream, but an encounter with a mysterious girl who appears in the middle of a match will change the destiny of G-Range, the Boltecs, and all of Gear Gadget Generators. Number 1. Code Geass. Lelouch becomes involved in a terrorist attack and finds a mysterious girl called CC. Lelouch decides to use his grease to find his mother's murderers, destroy the Britannian Empire, and create a better world where Nunnally can happily live.
You don't understand! Destroy Shinjuku Ghetto! Leave no one alive!
This is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed and find a perfect mecha anime for you. If you are new to channel, then don't forget to subscribe to channel and comment to fav mech anime. And don't forget to check out these another top 10 list from Animetub.
じゃあ消すぞ。
夜は蛇王神眼が活性化するとき、すでに
いいから寝ろ。ったく、何が俺の耳なんだ。